When it comes to upgrading your home's comfort, beauty, and energy efficiency, choosing the right window company makes all the difference. Homeowners in Conshohocken want lasting value, not just new windows, but a trusted partner who understands the local climate, prioritizes quality, and delivers exceptional service from start to finish. That's exactly why EcoView Windows and Doors of Greater Philadelphia has become the top choice for replacement windows in the Conshohocken area. From premium window products to a customer-first approach, here are the top reasons homeowners continue to choose EcoView. High-performance, energy-efficient windows built for Pennsylvania homes. EcoView specializes in windows designed to tackle the challenges of Pennsylvania's changing seasons. Whether it's freezing winter temperatures or the heat of summer, their energy-efficient windows provide year-round comfort. With features like insulated glass, durable vinyl frames, and advanced weather stripping, EcoView windows help reduce drafts and cut down on utility costs. For Conshohocken homeowners looking to boost efficiency without sacrificing style, EcoView offers some of the best performing products on the market. Wide variety of window styles to fit any home. No two homes, or homeowners, are exactly alike. EcoView Windows and Doors offers a full menu of replacement window styles to match any architectural design or personal preference. Choose from double-hung, casement, sliding, bay, bow, picture, and specialty windows, all available in customizable colors and finishes. Whether you're updating a historic Conshohocken property or modernizing a newer build, EcoView makes it easy to find windows that enhance curb appeal and complement your home's personality. Trusted local experts with a customer-first mindset. One of the biggest reasons Conshohocken residents choose EcoView is the company's genuine commitment to customer care. As a locally operated business, EcoView understands the needs of Greater Philadelphia homeowners and takes pride in delivering friendly, personalized service. From the first consultation to the final walkthrough, the team focuses on educating homeowners, answering questions clearly, and recommending the right solutions, not the most expensive ones. Their transparency, communication, and respect for customers' homes consistently earn outstanding reviews. Professional, efficient, and mess-free installation. Even the best windows can underperform if they're not installed properly. EcoView's certified installers follow strict installation standards to ensure every window fits flawlessly, functions smoothly, and maximizes energy performance. Homeowners appreciate their attention to detail, efficient process, and commitment to keeping the job site clean. The result? A quick, stress-free installation that leaves your home looking better than ever. High-quality products at competitive prices. Replacing your home's windows is a meaningful investment, but it shouldn't be an overwhelming one. EcoView is known for offering premium quality windows without premium prices. Their strong manufacturer partnerships allow them to provide durable, energy-efficient products at competitive rates. With flexible financing options available, they make upgrading your home more accessible for Conshohocken families. Long-lasting protection with industry-leading warranties. Homeowners deserve confidence and peace of mind in their window investment. EcoView stands behind its products with some of the industry's strongest warranties, covering materials, performance, and installation. This commitment to quality ensures that your new windows will continue performing beautifully for decades. A reputation built on trust and local satisfaction. Word of mouth speaks volumes in Conshohocken, and EcoView has built a strong local reputation by consistently delivering exceptional results. Many customers return for additional projects or recommend EcoView to friends and neighbors. That kind of trust reflects the company's dedication to craftsmanship, customer service, and community relationships. If you're ready to elevate your home's comfort, efficiency, and style, EcoView Windows and Doors of Greater Philadelphia is the name Conshohocken homeowners trust. With industry-leading products, expert installation, and a personalized customer experience, they make window replacement simple, rewarding, and built to last.